Today I'm making chimichangas de carne de res. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1.5 pounds of beef chuck steak that we're going to cut into very small pieces. And this is how I like it. Now I'm going to season with 1 tablespoon of paprika or add to your liking. Then 1 tablespoon of salt and some black pepper. Mix everything until well combined, then set aside. Now for the creamy guacamole dip, I'm going to be using 3 avocados. Make sure they're ripe, 1 cup of milk, and salt to taste. We're going to blend everything together. And this is the consistency that I like. If you want it a little thinner, just add more milk. My pan is set to medium heat and we're gonna add some oil. Once it's hot, we add 2 minced garlic cloves, half a white onion, and saute for about 2 minutes. Then we add the meat and cook for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and this is how I like it, nice and crispy. Now we add 2 tablespoons of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 2 diced tomatoes, and we're gonna cook everything until the tomatoes release all their juices. It's been 3 minutes and this is how we want it. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of crema Mexicana, mix until well combined and set aside. Now to prepare our chimichangas, I like to use these burrito sized tortillas. We start by adding some of the filling, then some cheese. I'm using Cacique Quesadilla cheese, but you can use the melting cheese of your choice. We add a little bit of cilantro and we're gonna fold it just like this. We continue doing the same with the rest, and with this amount of filling, I was able to make 5 chimichangas. To fry, my pan is set to medium heat. We're gonna add some oil, and once it's hot, we can start frying. Make sure to fry them evenly on all sides until they're nice, golden, and crispy. For me, it took about 7 minutes. These are ready, so I'm gonna take them out and we're gonna continue frying the rest. Trust me, you're gonna wanna make these again and again. And they pair perfectly with this creamy guacamole dip. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, these are so delicious. Today I made steak chimichangas, but you can make them out of chicken, shrimp. I personally really like the shredded beef ones. Those are one of my favorite, but let me know in the comments which ones you want to see next and I'll be sure to make that video for you. And there you have it, delicious chimichangas. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.